Hey there! Ever wondered what happens when Mexican tacos meet Italian lasagna? Today I'm showing you my game-changing taco lasagna that combines the best of both worlds. It's cheesy, spicy, and ridiculously delicious. Trust me, your family will beg for seconds. Alright, let's kick things off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that perfect temperature for our Mexican-style lasagna. While the oven's warming up, I'm going to grab my favorite baking dish and give it a quick grease. You know, I always use a little cooking spray for this, but butter works great too. Now, let's get our veggies going. Drop that tablespoon of olive oil into a large skillet over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, in go our bell peppers, that spicy jalapeno, and those sweet onions. We're going to let these dance together for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and soft. You'll know they're ready when the onions start getting that beautiful translucent look. Time to add our star player, the ground beef. Break it up with your spatula as it goes in and keep stirring occasionally. We're looking for that perfect brown color with absolutely no pink showing through, which usually takes about 7 to 8 minutes. The kitchen's starting to smell amazing right about now. Also, if you want to upgrade your nonstick frying pan, I'll leave mine, which I'm very happy with, in the video description. Here's where the magic happens. Let's stir in those crushed tomatoes and our flavor bomb of seasonings. The cumin, chili powder, paprika, and all those other spices are going to transform this into something spectacular. Give everything a good mix and let it simmer for 5 minutes, letting all those flavors get to know each other. Now comes the fun part, layering. Spread about a third of our meat mixture in the bottom of the dish. Then arrange those corn tortillas on top. Sprinkle on some of that corn and black beans. And don't be shy with the cheese. This first layer sets the foundation for all that deliciousness to come. Let's keep building those layers with the remaining ingredients. It's just like playing with delicious building blocks. More meat mixture, more tortillas, more of those beautiful beans and corn, and of course, plenty more cheese. Make sure to save enough cheese for that final, melty top layer. Time to cover our creation with foil and pop it in the oven for 30 minutes. The foil helps everything heat evenly and keeps the top from getting too brown too quickly. When that timer hits 30, we'll pull off the foil and give it another 5 minutes to get that cheese nice and bubbly. Last but definitely not least, let's make it pretty. Sprinkle some fresh cilantro over the top. It adds such a beautiful pop of color and freshness. If you're feeling fancy, set out some sour cream and your favorite taco toppings. I love adding some diced avocado and a squeeze of lime to mine.